I have one of the front leg assemblies here with the side. The front leg is here and connected into that leg is this side piece, 5/8 inch thick, and this connects to some mortises in the back leg, in the rear legs. And when I test the installation, I'm finding out that the length of this piece is just a little bit, the width of this piece is just too long. So I need to take material out of this flat area here, and I'm using a shoulder plane here, and I've sharpened it carefully, and I'll just count the number of times I do this. I'm going to go 5 times per side. There's number 2. This is cherry. 4. And was that 3? I think I'll just go. I know I'm going to need to go deeper than this. Okay, I've got that side of the tenons done. Now I need to do the other side. One. And 5. So that doesn't remove the parts in the protruding parts here in the middle here of the tenons. So I just take a chisel and remove that middle protrusion. Five passes. Now, the other thing that's happening here is that these tenons end up being too long, so I'm going to take off I'm going to take 5 off of the length there, and then I can now test it again and see how much more I need to remove. I need to get all of that off there. I can feel the protrusion. About it. Now I can test and come back and probably do that sequence of steps several more times.